All right, this is my mailbox. Okay, see all this horribleness? Look at it, horror. Well, this is before. We're gonna get the after out. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. What do you think of that? Much better. Are you happy now, little girl? All right, there's my little duckies. Now this I leave for a stepping stone because believe it or not, the squirrels will stand there and stand up. Yep. Oh, now I'm gonna put this stuff in here. Ew, make it all horrible. So my son Seth just yelled out the window to me that I know they were thinking about it. They were trying to pass a bill on trying to make abortion illegal in Alabama. And I said to him, yeah, I know that they've been, wanting to do that. I don't think they made it legal yet. He goes, no, they did. They just passed the bill, he said. I'm hoping that's true. And if you do, you'll get 99 years in jail. Wow. That should tell you something, people. When maybe you have this mindset or know somebody that has this mindset that, well, it's my body, I can do what I want. First of all, no, it is not your body, okay, that you are killing, okay? It is not your body. Second of all, even if it was your body, do you agree with suicide? Do you agree that for murder? Do you agree with killing another human being? That's what you're saying. What is this? It's my body, my choice. What? It's your choice to do what? Why don't you finish the sentence? It's my body. I choose. I have a right to kill. That is what you are saying. Okay? Finish the sentence. But praise the Lord. Woo! Okay, I was not going to do this area because I really want to do my little garden over to the left of all of this. But you know what? This looks really pretty, so let's do it. Wow, it makes all the difference in the world, doesn't it? Certainly does. So we're going to take care of in there and over here. I want you guys to hear this bird. He's beautiful. He's right up in here. But he makes a beautiful whistle. Watch. Not that. There he is. There he is. Oh, he flew away. It was so beautiful. He's definitely a newcomer in our neck of the woods. Okay, so I did over here. So here's the the way I have to sweep it all up. But this is near my lilac plant that I put here many years ago, and it's very hardy. I haven't put mulch down in so long, and I got mint growing over here, but it does need some cleaning up around. I get it, and that'll happen. But I love putting all my little, look, there's a little bridge, a little outhouse, right? And a little house over there, and a little snail and a sitting area. And I wonder if I should put him over here. Nah, I like that over there. And then another hidden behind, a little pool and a house. Pretty good, right? I love it. And then this. And then Seth helped me with this. I gotta sweep it up. It's all messy at the moment. And I probably need more. So I never intended actually to do any of this, but it looks so nice. So I'm definitely gonna do the rest. Like if you come over here, I haven't had any in there in so long. And this, oh, look how pretty. See, I never pulled the long grassy things because I knew that they would bring flowers. So I'll have to cut back some of that. But yeah, imagine all beautiful mulch in here, how beautiful it's gonna be. Lovely, lovely. Everything is lovely. What I've always done, which I think I'm gonna do this summer, is fill this whole area up with mulch. Well, first you put the black stuff down, right? So you prevent weeds, and I highly recommend doing it twice, okay? Because those weeds will come through that I've ever experienced. We must have some strong weeds around here. And then you cover it with mulch, and I want to put beautiful perennials all along. Like just fill it with so many flowers. I just want it all along the fence. Wouldn't that be beautiful? I think I'm going to do it this summer. But yeah, it all looks beautiful. All right, so an overview. It's starting to really rain out, but I was so excited because I found 2 other bags that I forgot I had. See? And I got the beginning parts going, see? So I'll need a few more bags for the back and a little for my side garden and a ton over there. But we got that done. Ah, the rain. Hey, there's that bird. So much for what I can see without my glasses. It's not, but those are the cuties too. I'm standing here in the rain and I seen something in the corner of my eye. Look at what it is. They do fly. I am imagining it's a beetle. He's cute. Yeah. It's so interesting to see how they're moving, their antennas all around. Alright, look at them go. Wow, huh? I never seen one do that before. Hey, little guy. Hello. Welcome to the fry home. Don't you get tired of doing that? So cool. Alright, I seen that he flew away and look where he ended up. Yep, on me. See? They know when they're your friends. Right? Alright, little guy. Thanks for finding favor with me, but I think you should get off. Making me nervous. Oh, see, he listened. Oh, no, he was almost listening. Come on, buddy. Oh my gosh. Now he's on the stairs. That's not a cool place to stay, little guy. And I also threw out some crackers. And look who's eating those. The birdie. We're all eating together, everybody. I got my veggie sausage. Yeah. Is that nice? We got the symphony music. We have pretty flowers. We have the beautiful sunshine today. Yeah. Oh, and now you got food in your belly. And those things the bird is eating, they're rosemary flavor. Yummy, yummy, yummy. See, I'll keep him company. And you can hear me, right? So you won't get nervous when you hear me again? I love hearing him chewing. The ghostly woman has joined us today. She wants to eat too, you know. She has to eat too. Otherwise, how do you think she lasts so long all these years? What do you live, a couple 100 years? That was so good. Okay. I am so thrilled right now, okay? I got a ton more mulch. And meet my new friends. Woo! So excited, but they're not going to stay there, even though I would love that. I'm going to cut them in half. So I can make more. I saw you, ghostly woman. What do you want today? You want to plant today? You want to help me? All right, so let me show you where we're gonna go. All right, so we're basically, this is in the front of my house. So here's my house, and here's my side yard, and here's the front of the side yard. And I've always and forever always wanted to put a lot of plants in there. Now I only have 8 plants. I'll cut them in however many pieces I can to make them go. Now the thing is I got this here, and this is to keep all the weeds out. Now the thing is, I don't know, because if I put that black stuff down, right, it's going to stop the seeds from the plants making more beautiful plants everywhere, you know what I mean? So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay it down. Usually you need 2 layers, so if only one comes, then I'm fine with that. I don't know. But I will make the hole around the plant bigger so that if it does want to spread around, it can. So this is going to be fun. So right now, because it's quite a process, I'm going to lay this down now while it's still light out. Not by much though. All right, so here's before. Wow, this was so pathetically easy. I literally, and this roll is amazing. It's about 150 feet. So I did one whole strip like this, and now some of it will be overlapped. This is amazing. Look, that's all. Literally, this took me like a couple of minutes, that's it. Look, I'm not even breaking, actually I am breaking a sweat. Yeah, and then you just cut. Sorry, ants, you're gonna have to go somewhere else unless you don't mind. Yeah, see? Wow, huh? And then I can definitely go over it again. Hey, pretty good, pretty good. Okay, see these garden staples? That's what they look like, okay? And I am just going to bring this to the very edge, and I'm going to put this, I'm over here, just inside, in front of Daddy's car. See? And that will hold it nice and snug. You know, I found a little difficulty because if you have rock, too much rock underneath, you can always, instead of going straight down, you can always do like a hairpin, kind of like this way too, if the rock is too much. All right, so I put all the pins down. All you have to do, if you've never done this before and you're interested, double it up. You can use one layer, but I'm so glad that I had enough that I could do two, because I have done one in the past and it did come up with the weeds. And then we'll put mulch over this. So if you have something like this or a plant, right? So now I'm gonna put all plants everywhere. And see how I cut around it? Because I do want this to get larger. So you cut an X, really, okay? So like over here, I didn't want to go straight across. So I put a little slit, so that way there it has room to grow. And now we're gonna put X's with razor blades or scissors, whatever. And we'll see what's gonna happen. I'm so excited. Okay, so I've placed them whereabouts, a rough idea of where I want them. I'm gonna cut them in half, maybe more, and then I can spread them out even more. These are all perennials, which means that they're gonna come back year after year, and I don't have to worry about it. And they're all roughly the same height, 12 to 10 to 12 inches. So we wanna put the higher ones in the back and the smaller ones in the front. And then we hope to have this thing filled with flowers eventually. Exciting. And then tomorrow I'll do I don't know if I can get these all on the ground right now, but some anyway. And tomorrow the what? Or at some point, oh my gosh, what am I saying? The mulch, so thank you. I just cut across, and then I folded these underneath. I want it to probably be larger than that, so when I put this in there, it'll have more space to flourish. But I don't have one of these on the other side. I really want everything to be symmetrical, kind of, sort of. So I probably will. I don't know. Should I cut that in half? I don't want to kill it. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, can you believe it? I did it. I'm short. What is it called? Mulch. I got all the plants in. I'm going to show you in the morning. But I only got a couple of rocks. It's not very much. And I know there's going to be a lot of sin that I can't see right now. But I did it, everybody. I'll show you in the morning. And there's my little squirrel friends way up in the tree. Good night. Sleep tight. Pleasant dreams to you. Isn't that cute? They're all cuddled up. Make a wish and a prayer that every dream come true. I'll see you guys in the morning. Until we meet again. You're looking at the treetop right now. Adios, au revoir, auf Wiedersehen. Good night, and I'll see you all tomorrow too. Well, good morning, everybody. Here's a view. I don't have time to go outside to record for you, but here's my circle here. See this here? That's the job I did last night in the dark, so now I can see all the sin. But you could see that I need more mulch. Do you see the empty spaces over there? I probably need another good, I don't know, 3 to 4 bags to really pack it in. And I need rocks. I don't have those nice rocks that I have around my home. That's what I want to put there. One of my kids was thinking, Mama, let's put a little white picket fence. But I don't like white picket fences because they look plasticky. I want all natural. So I like the rocks. Although I did appreciate the feedback. Oh, and there's Mr. Birdie Man. yeah, so see how it goes with the front. I just hope it's not too much. I mean, it's such a big space. But I think once these flowers bloom year after year and I put more flowers in, and I gotta find rocks. You know, I don't like that black border that you put all around to keep those things from falling. I like rocks, you know. It's gonna be hard to find them. But there it is, they have it, you know. Later on I'll give you another view in another video or something. There's Mr. Birdie Man. Hi, Birdie. Oh. Alright, so thanks for watching. Alright, guys. Have a blessed day. I know I will. I get to see my mother-in-law today. Dun dun dun. Alright, go be blessed with your family.